안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. So today we are going to learn about different types of sports and how to say them in Korean. Okay, so sports is 운동 in Korean. So let's take a look at how to different types of sports and how to say them in Korean. So first of all, soccer. I know in Europe it's called football. So 축구. 축구 is soccer or football. American football would be 미식 축구. 미식 is the American and 축구. So 미식 축구 is the American football. Okay. And next one, basketball. Basketball is 농구. 농구. Okay, so any sport that involves, it plays with the ball, then has the 구. Okay? 구 is yes, okay. 농구 is basketball. So next one, baseball. Again, the gu appears, 야구. Okay, so baseball, 야구. Next one, 배구, volleyball. Volleyball, 배구, 배구. Okay, next one, golf, 골프, 골프. Golf is 골프. Oh, and golf also has a golf ball. So why isn't there any the gu? But I forgot to mention that 배구, 야구, 농구, 축구 is a team sports. Uh, so yeah, that's why gu is there. And bowling, bowling is bowling. Bowling is bowling. Okay, next one, American football. Like I said in the first line. So 미식 축구, 미식 축구. Okay, 미식 축구 is American football. Next one, table tennis, 탁구, 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 table tennis. Next up, tennis, tennis. Actually, there's a Korean word, and not many people use it, but because tennis is more of um, it's the name that we call it in Korean, but also it's a little bit different sports, but very similar. It's called 정구, and the old people, the elderly people, you know, they they usually call it 정구 instead of tennis, but we wrote it here tennis because tennis is what the Korean people, say it as tennis. Okay, so tennis. Next one, badminton. Badminton is 배드민턴. 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 Okay, badminton. Okay, so let's review all of the sports. 축구, soccer, football. 농구, basketball. 야구, baseball. 배구, volleyball. 골프, golf. bowling, bowling. 미식축구, American football. 탁구, table tennis. tennis, tennis. 배드민턴, badminton. Wonderful. Okay. Continuing. Swimming, 수영. Swimming is 수영, 수영. Jogging is jogging, jogging. Next one, just running is running, running. Okay, sounds similar. Next one, skating is skate, skating is skate, skate. All right, and boxing is boxing, boxing. Boxing is boxing. Okay. Skiing is ski. ski, skiing, ski. All right. So let's go over them. 수영, swimming. Jogging, jogging. Running, running. 스케이트, skating. 복싱, boxing. Ski, skiing. Very good. Okay, now ball, 공. Yes, ball is 공. And these are the equipments and the tools that we use to play sports. Racket is racket. Racket is racket. Racket. Okay, racket. And oh, okay, stadium. Stadium is 경기장. 경기장. So if you say 축구 경기장, that's soccer stadium, football stadium. 농구 경기장, that's basketball stadium. 배구 경기장, volleyball stadium. 야구 경기장, baseball stadium. Okay, 경기장. court. So, 코트. 테니스 코트, 테니스 코트장, 테니스 코트. Yeah, that's tennis court. Okay. 코트. Oh, some of the verb action for playing sports. Pass, 패스. Pass is 패스. Shoot, shoot. Okay. And to win, 이기다. 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 To win. Okay. And to lose, 지다. Lose, losing, 지다. Okay, so 이기다, 지다. Okay. And draw, to draw, 비기다. 비기다. Let's draw, to draw. Okay? All right. So let's review the sports. The last section. 공, the ball. 라켓 is racket. 경기장, stadium. 코트, court. 패스, pass. shoot, shoot. 이기다, to win. 지다, to lose. 비기다, to draw. Okay. So I encourage you to, if you like sports activity and if you play any of the sports that we mentioned here at today's lesson, soccer, basketball, swimming, golf, whatever it is, if you do have an opportunity to have a chance to go outside and enjoy that activity, try to say some Korean that you learned today. Like, hey, pass the ball, pass the ball. It's just actually the same word. So if your team had won, then you say, oh, 이기다, 지다, 비기다. Try to say out those words. It will really help you to imply it and also to memorize it. Okay, and okay, so I hope today's lesson was very beneficial to you. All right, so hopefully we'll have more fun time in the next class. Okay, thank you. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. Bye.